In a world where everyone is chasing after success, we often forget to ask ourselves, what does true success mean to Allah? Islam teaches us that success isn't measured by wealth or fame, but by our closeness to Allah. Allah reminds us, indeed, the successful one is he who purifies his soul. Surah Ash-Shams 91:9. True success starts when we cleanse our hearts, removing arrogance, envy, and pride. Instead, we fill our hearts with faith, sincerity, and love for Allah. Let's strive for that true success together. The Islamic way of success is built on 5 pillars: Iman, Ikhlas, Sabr, Shukr, and Tawakkul. As believers, we strive not just for worldly gains, but for the pleasure of Allah. In times of success, we remain humble, and in trials, we practice patience. Allah reminds us that obedience to Him and His Messenger leads to great success. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad taught us that true success is being saved from hellfire and entering paradise. This is the ultimate success. It's not about luxury, but finding eternal peace in Jannah. Success in Islam isn't just about waiting for things to happen. The Prophet taught us to strive, to work hard, and to keep our hopes alive. He said, "The strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer, while there is good in both." So strive for what benefits you, seek help from Allah, and never give up. Remember, real success is when Allah is pleased with you. If He is with you, no one can defeat you. And if He isn't pleased, no amount of wealth or fame can bring true success. True success lies in our obedience, gratitude, and remembrance of Allah. When we strive for excellence, we purify our hearts and walk the path of faith. Remember, the journey to Jannah begins with just one sincere step toward Allah. As it says in Surah Fatir, "Whoever purifies himself purifies for his own soul." Let's aim to be among those who find true success in this life and the hereafter. May Allah guide us and grant us His mercy. Ameen. Follow for more Islamic wisdoms. Like, share, and spread the message of truth.